Hello guys, welcome to my project. This is a fully AI empowered study hub. Here we can do anything using offline AI models like Qwen 7b. Here I am prompting for making a schedule which can be used as our routine, as our class test, lab, eventually our day-to-day life routines. Here it includes class routines, then our completed task. Here you can see that if we click done, then it will be done, then we can delete it, eventually reschedule it. Like we can prompt anything whatever we want, and then it will be scheduled by itself dynamically. So here I am doing some prompt also, and you can see that I can delete or reschedule it. For example, rescheduling I am going to change the date, and then I can reschedule it. And here you can see some weather APIs data, and this is for make it so better. And now you can see we can also edit them. If we click to them, there will come to options for editing like city details, lab details, and they will be like you can see that there will be like here pushed by itself only by prompting. So here you can see that I can edit them, and I can also add city code, city ROM, whatever I want, and city syllabus. And this kind of data like city and classes and labs are extracted from a raw data which is called class routine or broadcast. Then it will be passed it to all the dates for 3 months and will reschedule as class routines. So this type is fully innovative, and this type of system can be run through your software or through your hardware, whatever you using, like your PC, and there you can install just only a AI model, offline AI model. Then you can prompt whatever you want. So you can say if I want to off my classes of a significant day, you can see this is going to off, and I can off uh, any kind of classes or in any date on any date by using prompt. So this is prompt system or routine managing system which is using prompt, and you can prompt all the day. And there you can see this is varsity routine, which I have said that it can extract data from your routine and will set them for 3 months in every date. So here you can see some plugins which I have implemented using offline model Qwen 7b. As well as you can see, it is detecting a problem, and there is 8 stages, 8 pipelines, and every stages have their like test and auto fixes, text similar. Then there is like translating system, and you can see we can translate to Java, C++, JavaScript, and this problem can be explained, and their functional complexity will be explained. And this system is so much stable. And I am going to using a question bank system for resource, for students resource. Making a question bank is so much important, so you can use it. By using it, you can generate a question bank from your term final questions or other resources, which will help for your theoretical studies, and also help for making your result good. So this kind of resources can be made through this software like question banks and other resources. Here you can see I have made that question bank, which is called, and I am making a new question bank. So this new question bank is there are there is there, and you can see I am renaming this question bank. And you can also see the question bank has been generated, and this is the question bank. So a new question bank I will have find. So this type of resource management or resource creating system are available, and it is a kind of offline AI model system. Here you can upload any resource that can be it can be like 1500 or 1500 pages PDF. Then it will be divided to chunks, and some vector embedded. Here I have used SQLite for this system, where from local storage it can get embedding, and they can also reply any kind of questions related to the resource. And this is called LaTeX Studio. And in this LaTeX Studio you can paste any kind of AI text, whatever you find, and then you can, if you paste in there, it will be like you can see that it will generate PDF format, and you can upload this PDF Telegram. And here it is called community. You can share any kind of datas, any kind of any kind of resources of your study there. Here you can add links, upload some files, and that file will be uploaded to Telegram channel, which will be uploaded through their bots, father bot, and they will give you a download link always whenever you try to download. And in this system you can see, you can preview or download any kind of resource. Then you can see the states, you can set them as done, and you can see that statistic which is however I'm seeing that one upvotes and easy has been marked by one user, and there is a doubt session or doubt system, doubt, or you can see it, you can call it Q&A system, where anybody can ask any kind of questions related to this resource, and anybody can also answer of this user's questions related to this resource. We are using this kind of system for making this project very much useful or visible to the user. Here you can see I am prompting or question. I'm going to asking. I'm going to ask a question, and it is working so good. It replies me about that resource. I have just asked that a resource under CT1 in CSC 105 course, and they are giving me that resource, the best resources. I have made this system by RAG system, or you can. I'm using Supabase table, and that table are embedded with AI system, AI pipelines, and through RAG I have implemented this. So you can see I can add topic, delete topic, or delete any kind of files. It is a fully tree system. The courses are there, and all the courses uh, are dividing. All the courses are dividing into like basic, building blast, test, and term final. So I can upload any resource. I'm going to upload a resource under CC107, which the name of the resource is networking, and I am also setting I'm also going to set the system as well as I have done. And there you can see, if I ask any question, it will answer me properly about that resource, what the users have added to make it more functional and dynamic. So this is called collaborate system, where the users of this channel can collaborate. They can make a team. There will be a proper system there. There will be admin and users. Then you can see that I have added a resource, and this is my student account, and I am going to apply to join there. And an admin can set questions also. Admin can the users can answer that question, and also can be reviewed by the admin and then join. So this system is mainly for making their team more productive. Here they can upload resource, then they can set plans. Every plans have some you can see in this workspace, every plan has their own tasks. For example, here you can see the plan title, then there I can create many tasks, and that task can be fulfilled by the users, and their users logs or history will be remained. And then I can also done all the steps, or all the then it will be restored to the history. And here admin can also delete or kick any kind of any users, and there they can also chat. So the chatting system is also included. Here we are using Java's backend, which is called Spring Boot, and Spring Boot backend is so much powerful to handle this system so fast, and three-tier system, so it will work better. So here you can create new channels. New channels can be created by admin, and then the main admin who is contacting this, or who is managing this channel, So you can link your ECA or extracurricular activities IDs like LeetCode's ID, CodeForce's ID, or Devpost ID, and their API will fetch all the data, including your problems number and project progress, etc., from Devpost and LeetCode or CodeForces. And here you can add some plans, or you can add some tasks, or you can plan for project. You can add plans for project to fulfill project, and yeah, that can be done with other users. They can also join there. And hey, this is the settings tab for admin. It is so much powerful. And I have added a system for merging channels that can be temporary or that can be permanent. And there you can see social zone. Here I have included thread system where anybody can post. Others can like or dislike, eventually can save them, same that you can see that same that post, and it is so useful for them, and they can be fully distraction free there. And they can public chat, can join to the boys, and can create a pool. Pool is very useful or for university students. Always they are always try to make a poll, but this kind of poll can be spammed or can be scammed also. So this poll will be fully accurate and spamless. So this is a mentorship place, or here you can ask any kind of doubt, and all the users and mentors or admin can answer your questions, and you can set their questions as mark as best or best question. Then your doubt will be closed automatically. So I am setting this best, so that is. And this is called study room. This study room is very much effective for the students. They can use this study room for um, uh, join group in to join in group, or they can set some task or set some study room goals which they should achieve. If they achieve, their history will be included. They will find, or they will achieve some exp or other or some fires. This kind of system will make them so much productive, competitive, and they will. Here you can see focus score. This focus score always increase according to the time. And here you can see 20. There was 20 focus score mainly for, and this focus score is created or managed by AI agent. And this is called game zone for users. This zone can be blocked by the admin, because whenever they want to play some games, when they feel so boring, they can play some games. And this zone can be developed by the users themselves. They can be also developer. They can upload the jar file where many kinds of game can be available, and this kind of games are can be are played by the users. And this is a music zone for people like me. Enjoy music so much, so this tab is very much important for me, because I can play any kind of music and I can feel them, and my productiveness will be uh, increased automatically if I heard music. And this is called setting system. Here you can manage your profile details. And now I'm going to use my agent, which is called scholar agent. If I prompt to switch any tab, it will switch automatically. And it can do many kind of tasks, what I have said there. So you can see that it can go to study room, then it can create study room. It can also make some task automatically, like create a task. If I okay, I am going to say, can you list some study room? So it will give me the list of available study rooms. And then if I ask to make a notice or make any kind of task, it will conduct, or it will make that task possible. So you can see uh, I have prompted that to play a music, and uh, it have played that music. I just said that Saitama PG, and it is now playing One Punch Man Saitama background song. So it is so much intelligent, because here I am using same the offline AI, And this type of AI are so much are so much structured as their capability will increase in future and they can be used there easily. So I am going to create any kind of notice, so that you can see that notice has been created automatically. And notice, class task or personal task, all can be created, deleted through that agent, which is called scholar agent. And if I prompt create a notice, it will create the notice. Here you can see I have prompted that, and you can see that the notice will be created, and like it is delaying notice task has been completed. Here are some models from Open Router, Hugging Face, and Nebius, and Cloudflare, also NVIDIA. These kind of models come from their variety of API keys, and these models are available to ask and they are specialized models for image generating or anything. So here you can see I am going to another account. This account is from another workspace, and it is also working, and it is blank because the admin itself are existing. And this is called the study room, and here you can sign up as a student or as an admin. If you're a student, you have to use. So that's it. Thank you so much.